London, are you ready?
Hey
London,
guys.
are you ready?
Yeah. Are you ready for Chief Imo in London?
Live. If you are not ready, that means we are going to get you ready.
Yes.
Because it's going to happen live on the 24th of this month. 21st of this month. Oh my God.
Come on, guys. It's Chief Imo and Maggie in London. Come on.
Yes.
Asian Community Center in Thamesmead. Come on, buy your ticket. Show some love. Friday, the
21st of October.
21st of October,
Yes.
guys. Come on.
2
It's
days
happening
to go.
live in London. Look at Maggie in
counting
London.
down.
Chief
Counting
Imo.
down.
Come on.
2 more days to go.
2
Show
more
some
days to go.
love.
If you are not there, that means you will miss a lot. In fact, you will miss heaven.
Yeah.
Come and laugh. Come and laugh away your predicament. So that laugh for Chani and still Soro refuse to go. Soro refuse to go. This time around, come and laugh away your predicament. Laugh away your optical cord.
But use
So I use what I used before, according to my counterpart. Please come and support us. Come and put us on top of the world.
Yeah.
You can see we are ready. Oh, yo. Ooh.